Hi everyone, welcome to my mukbang and I'm just sorry I was just wearing the same t-shirt as I reviewed my surprise eggs. And okay, let's just start with this, okay? Okay, let's just okay. Okay, let's just we have to shake it. Shake it for your ticket. Shake it. Then ready? Yeah, boom. There you go. Oh! That's my sister. Sorry, everyone. So sorry. You can see Rexy over there. That was nothing. Don't eat it. Mommy, don't eat it. Almost there. Sorry if this is taking forever. Because it's super cold. Okay. You guys might think this is juice, but this is my water. So, this one's mine. Last time I've ate a minion. And this is Spider-Man. You can see the beautiful detail over here. It's like, and the gray is like ultra. So let's just open it. The package. Okay. Where does this just open? I need to open. Oh, sorry. I thought it was this. Okay. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Ah! This fell down. You like. Okay. So, ooh, it's Thor the hammer. So let's just taste it. Yummy. Sorry. There's a lot of different characters. Next, Captain America. Pew, pew, pew. Okay, sorry. Hello, Captain America. Sorry, this Hulk. Ow! Hulk. No. Oh. Another Hulk. Oh yeah. Hulk. Another Captain America, we're getting a duplicate. It's the Iron Man. Iron Man. But there's a hole. Okay, you guys can just like taste this. Have a bite. That's the inside. There's strawberry. Wash away. Actually, these are pretty good. I will rank it as 10 out of 10 maybe. How about guys? How would you rank your snacks?
Mommy, so good. So good, Mommy.
See right there? Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna feed you. Okay, let's just pretend. Hi. I keep doing this because I'm just saying, wait. So you guys can just, man. Who's this guy? Can you guys tell in the description below who is this Avenger? I'm sorry. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm already at this one, but I want to be this one. You know, I'm almost taller as my mom. Yeah. See, like this, and I'm like this. I'm in her, like this. My dad is tall and my mom is just short. I mean, short like this. Yeah, short. Just like my grandma.
Ow. Ow.
Oh. I think I already ate this party. I'm sorry, guys. It's done. Okay, this is done. Look. Let's do that. Yeah. There we go. It's done. Yeah, I eat you. Yeah, thanks for eating me. Okay. That's it for today, and that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to my channel, like what I said in the last time of my egg surprises. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, and also link that bell button. Pew, ding ding. Okay, so that's it for today, everyone. Bye bye, and okay, that's my sister on the table. Okay, even the water. Okay, bye bye everyone, and don't forget, always stay happy and don't be a bully. Bye everyone, see you in next channels. Bye.